Hello and welcome. My name is Dina, and this yoga series is designed to make you feel 10 years younger by boosting circulation, improving your posture, and leaving you glowing from the inside out. This session is perfect for mornings or whenever you need that small energy boost. So let's dive right in and begin. So we will start in the front of the mat. Feet are close together or maybe slightly apart, and we're going to find Tadasana, our mountain pose. So you're rooting your legs into the ground, your legs are engaged and strong, you're tucking your tummy in, you're extending the back, you're rounding a bit your shoulders back, chin is parallel to the floor, and gaze in front of you. This is a very active pose. And just breathe here for a few times, just arriving on the mat. Calm your mind, bring your focus solely to your breath here. 2 more breaths here. And 1 more. Good. On the next inhalation, raise your arms up, look towards the palms. Exhale with a straight back, fall forward over your legs. Bend your knees. Inhale, look up, lengthen the spine. And exhale, step or jump back into a plank position. Lower the knees, the chest and the chin to the mat. Inhale, slide your chest forward, look up, baby cobra. Exhale, push through your palms, send the hips back and up, finding downward facing dog. Stay here, 3 breaths. 1. Let your head hang here, relaxed, face is relaxed. 2. Spread the fingers on your mat to support your wrists. And 3. Slowly walk your feet in between your palms. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise your energy all the way up. And mountain pose. And again, inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. And exhale, step or jump back into a plank position. Lower the knees, the chest and the chin to the mat. Inhale, slide forward, raise slightly your palms. And exhale, come back up into downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths this time. 1, 2, 3. Downward facing dogs are amazing for directing the blood to your face, to your brain. A slight inversion it is. Last breath here. Very slowly bend your knees, walk or jump your feet in between your palms. Lengthen the spine, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise your palms all the way up. Exhale, Tadasana, mountain pose. And we do 1 more. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, fold. Do not rush it. Inhale, look up. Exhale, jump or step back. And you always have the option to lower your knees or maybe bend the elbows, Chaturanga Dandasana here. Inhale up. And then exhale down. Find your breath in this downward facing dog for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sun salutations are an anxious practice that help you boost energy from inside out. It works your entire body. It's almost like a meditative sequence where you pair the breath and movement and just be present. One more breath here. Now bend your knees. Step or jump with your feet in between your palms. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise your energy all the way up. Gaze towards the palms. And then exhale, let your hands rest. Okay, we will build a bit on this. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, extend. Exhale, step or jump back and lower. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now raise the right leg up. Extend the leg as much as you can. And bend the knee and place the foot in between your palms. Stay on your fingers, on your toes, on your back toes, and then push through your feet and raise up for crescent lunge. Stay here. The back leg is strong. It's extended here. The hips are facing the front of the mat. And the front knee is bent maybe 90 degrees if possible. One more breath here. Bring your palms to heart center. Inhale, extend. Exhale, twist to the right and maybe hook your left elbow to the right thigh. You always have the option to lower your knee here and untuck your toes. Okay? Whichever works for you today. Gaze towards the right shoulder or just over the right shoulder here. Twists are amazing for boosting digestion, circulation, and making you again feel younger. One more breath here. Slowly derotate, place the palms to frame the front foot, send the foot back, and again lower. Inhale up, and then exhale, downward facing dog. Just reset here in down dog. Now lift the left leg up, extend as much as you can, push through your palms, and then bend the knee and place the foot in between your palms. Stay on the back toes and raise for crescent lunge here. And just breathe here, maybe bend the front knee a bit more. Feel how your hips are opening in this position. One more breath. Bring your palms to heart center in a prayer. Inhale, extend the back, and exhale, twist to the left. Lower the back knee if it feels good for you today. Do not force. One more breath here. Very slowly derotate, place the palms to frame the front foot, send the foot back, lower down. Inhale, look up. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Just 2 breaths here. That was intense, wasn't it? One more. Now bend your knees and see if you can easy jump your feet close to your palms and come onto your sit bones to a seated position here. From here we're going to do both pose, Navasana, which is great for your posture. The core is essential to maintain a healthy posture. So on the next inhalation, you're going to raise your legs up and balance on your sit bones. You can have your legs bent for the first one. Inhale, back straight. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Cross your legs. Place the palms by the side of your body. See if you can lift your sit bones just once. And let's go straight into second phase. You can always do with the knees bent here, or you can extend the legs, whichever works for you. Just find that balancing and stay for 3 breaths. 1, 2, you can do it. 3, good. Bring your feet to your center and just slight raise for 1 breath. Extend the legs and let's come onto our backs. Place the soles of the feet close to your sit bones and see if you can brush your ankles with the longest finger. From here, we're going to, on the next inhalation, lift the lower back, the upper back, the middle back of the mat. We find bridge pose. Again, this pose is perfect for removing that slouchness that we all have from sitting too much in front of the computer. Is opening the chest, is extending the spine, is relieving any back pains you may feel. So we stay here for 2 more breaths. And when we finish, come down very slowly, middle back, lower back, sit bones to the mat. Widen the distance between your feet and just let your knees fall side to side. Massaging the lower back, releasing any tension that the previous pose has created. We have just 1 more series of this pose. So find your position again. Bring the soles of the feet closer to your buttocks. See if you can just brush the ankles with the middle finger, the longest finger, and when you're ready on the inhalation, come up, lower back, middle back, maybe a slight a bit the upper back, lift a bit higher. And if you can interlace the fingers behind your back and then push your fist into the mat to raise a bit higher. 3 more breaths here, just feel. One more. Slowly calm down. Bring your knees to your chest this time. Thank them for this practice. And just sway side to side. Rock a bit, massaging the spine. And when you're ready, extend the legs and let's find our relaxation pose, Shavasana. Let your feet drop to the side, arms by your torso or a bit slight apart, palms facing up. Find a comfortable position, and when you did that, just close your eyes and just feel and notice. Let go of your breathing. Feel the contact points with the mat. Feel the sensation of your clothes against your skin. Just be present here. Deep relaxation is essential for looking and feeling younger. So remain here. You can stay in Shavasana for as long as you like if you have the time. But if you wish to come up with me, slowly start moving your fingers, your toes. Come, bend your knees and come onto your favorite side. Try to maintain the eyes closed here. And if ready, slowly come up into a seated position. Close your eyes or soften your gaze when you've reached here. And just feel your body. What changed? What shifted? How do you feel right now? When you move with awareness and deep breathe deeply, you just don't just feel younger, you look younger too. So if you've enjoyed this yoga session, please drop me a comment and maybe subscribe to my channel, and I will do more sessions like this one. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. Have an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.